Welcome back to another video. Today we have another Harbor Freight email. It says, wow, save up to 83% plus huge liquidation sale going on now. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Remember, every Tuesday is a tool review Tuesday, so I got a different tool every week. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator for $49.99. We got the 3-ton low profile steel floor jack for $99.99. This is the low profile. The liquidation sale, I believe it was the regular 3-ton. This is the low profile, so it's a good deal on that. You got the HVOP handheld paint sprayer, $69.99. Half-an-inch heavy-duty extreme torque impact wrench, $69.99. Got the 2-gallon, 1.2 horsepower, 135 psi ultra quiet. Yeah, these are quiet. These are really nice. $149.99. Got the 1750 psi electric pressure washer, $79.99. I do have the video on this. I do have a video of upgrades you could do to this. I'll see if I can link this above. You can put Portland pressure washer tool 147 up above. I did put a foam aftermarket foam cannon, like a professional grade foam cannon on this wand, and I teach you guys how to do that and put the attachments. And also I did unclog the tip on this. I give you guys a few tips on that, because over time, you know, with use, obviously, like everything else, like all the pressure washers, not just this one, like all the rest of the pressure washers, this thing clogs up at the end. You got the Hardwood Dolly, $11.99, 2,500 electric winch, wireless remote control, $49.99. These are mostly for ATVs, smaller stuff, not the bigger ones, vehicles and stuff like not that. 40 volt lithium cordless 14-inch brushless chainsaw, $149.99. Got the 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets, $6.99. 15 amp professional 1.18 hex breaker bar hammer kit, $599.99. So this is the big boy here. You got the 6.5 horizontal shaft gas engine, $99.99. Great for projects, golf carts, and stuff like that. 29-piece titanium drill bit set, $10.99. Yeah, this is pretty much gonna be your basic drill bits. Probably one or two or maybe a few uses here and there, and then you're gonna have to throw away the bit. My guess is pretty much for light duty use, but you get a lot of bits though. I mean, you get a lot of sizes there. 46-inch mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top, $229.99. You got the 40x72 moving blankets, $399. And then this, guys, this is definitely a great deal. I would definitely recommend this for you guys. Any mount from Harbor Freight, it's going to be a solid mount. It's going to be a 5-star. You got the tilting flat panel TV wall mounts up to 70 inches for $19.99. You got the 225-piece mechanics tool set or tool kit for $99.99. I'm not really a fan of these, guys. I like to choose my own tools, you know, choose my own pliers, my own sockets and stuff like that, and get my tool bag and just stick everything in there. But for somebody that doesn't want to struggle, that just wants a case with everything inside, $100 will get you in there. You got the mobile miter saw stand, supports up to 12-inch miter saws for $99.99. You got the 18-inch working platform step stool, $19. If you got one of those tall trucks, you know, those newer trucks or lifted truck, this is gonna be your friend here. So $19.99 for this. As a matter of fact, I gotta get myself something like this. You got the 5-inch deep cut variable speed bandsaw for $99.99. Definitely a good deal on these items. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one.